Good evening from Thailand. Could be good morning, afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this. So yeah, back in Bangkok, and it's about 5 p.m. It's raining, and the city is come alive.
Yes. Hi, I'm Kitty.
So now I'm getting wet, so I'm gonna share an umbrella with you. There we go. And we got traffic. Lots and lots of traffic. Ooh, it's wet. A little bit slippery. But at least we don't have to deal with the traffic. There's the hustle of the city happening right now. So it's 5 p.m. And here's the lineup for 5 p.m. Boom. People ready to get home. It's MBK. Huge mall, as you guys can tell. Huge mall. So we're actually heading to this little dumpy area right here. That's where we're headed. We'll get some food. Bangkok at night. Love it. All the way down the street in this huge giant building. Giant building. And I think we're surrounded by like 5 of these guys right here on this corner. We're gonna go ahead and go to Okachu and I come back. So yeah, I've only been in Bangkok 2 days and she's like, I'm ready. Are we going to Okachu? Guys, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. Hanging out downtown Bangkok area in the rain. There it is. Kitty, are you happy? We're at the Okachu.
Yes, very happy.
Awesome. Window if we can. Perfect. Alright, finally made it to Okachu. It's a great stop to come. Awesome menu, great view, Texas-sized portion. I'll show you guys a couple clips of that in just a minute. Yeah, here's it. Alright guys, just finished eating at our favorite Bangkok at night restaurant called Okachu. And we're just gonna take a little stroll down the street so you can kind of get a glimpse what nighttime looks like here. So if you're here hanging out, you're here thinking about moving, expatting, you're here just wanting to go on holiday, this is right downtown Bangkok. We got Siam over here. We got this cool little walking district. It's like kids getting out of school right now. The place where you can just kind of hang out and walk up and down the street. Just kind of chill. Great place. Cool place to hang out. Cool place to have a complete gratitude attacks at. You know what, I'm here. And a great just community just to be here. Downtown Bangkok. Lots of lights. There's a big corner screen right here. That looks cool, huh, Kitty? Still Siam Paragon right down there. And people are out having a good time.
I just know.
So I believe this is like where the fashion market is. And it's just level of clothing. Then here's the outside part right here, which goes all the way down the street. So if you can see that. So what's this mall area called? No, this is Siam what though? Siam One. Big food mall. More restaurants and stuff down there. And we got a little concert going on over here. So right on the street. So let's go take a look at it.
Congratulations เองแล้วก็บอกว่า
All right, so it's an outdoor amphitheater having music.
I don't know who.
And it's congratulations to somebody. But they're rocking out a little bit. And this is a rainy night. Maybe the rain's done for tonight. But this is typically the way it is. It'll rain. Man, it'll piss on you for an hour and then be completely done and warm like it is right now. All right. I'll go with you. Let's go. Let's look inside. Look at this. Any type of hair clip you can think of. What do you look for? Alright, so I sort of just asked her what she's looking for. That's probably not a good question. What are you looking for in a place like this that just has rows of vendors and cute tops and cute pants and shorts and...
So cute.
Nalak? Just like the bracelet you have that Christy wants?
I have that. I have.
You brought for me?
Yeah.
Oh, to give to Christy? Okay.
Yeah, surprise you. Hello Kitty.
Yes, so cute. Kitty, can you eat more food?
Yes.
I know you love Thai massage, foot oil. If you haven't had a real Thai massage, definitely go get one. And I'm not talking one down the street. I'm talking a real one. Not one where you pick up on the girls. Go get a real foot massage. You will not regret it. I don't want any street food, man. I'm full. We just had Okachu. I couldn't eat any more street food. Yes, watermelon. Actually looks pretty good. This street food here looks good. Yes. Goes everywhere. Busy every day, every minute. So lots of lights and action going on. You see across the way, lots of stuff happening on with mega monitors and this is just a beautiful walk at night. got the Sky Train, Sukhumvit Road right there. It's got the little digital map, if you guys can see it, right there, and it's telling you how traffic and how long it's going to take. To give you a good look at Bangkok at night, we're actually going into one of the malls. Oh yeah, Chocolate World. It's one of Kitty's favorites. But this is an epically awesome mall.
Important for me. Chocolate.
It's very important for you.
Yeah. Ooh.
I know you love your chocolate. Yeah, you guys want to get wet, you can. And I rarely see anybody ever in this.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, this is Thailand at night. I should say this is Bangkok at night. Hey, let's take a look at that big old mural. It's absolutely gorgeous. You guys, check this out. That thing is huge. So, ocean lights.
And then Siam Paragon. I want to say something. Siam Paragon. I work there.
Yeah, you used to work here.
Yeah.
Yes. So Kitty was a manager here in a department store. So they do change this mural. Every time I've been here, it's been something different. All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed our little walk around Bangkok at night, city center. Right here, it's actually the Siam exit. There's lots of stuff to do here in Thailand, lots of stuff to do here in Bangkok. Maybe you'll make that decision for yourself. If anything at all, if you're here, check this place out. You might fall in love with it just like I did. I don't know. So anyways, guys, until the next video, be sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, catch you on my next little Bangkok video. Peace.